switch ko mamatay yung ano mo eh. O, di ba? Tiga mo, huli ka, dalawa monitor ko, kaya wala kang jowa kasi di ka makaayos sa buhay mo. Ka.
Streamer, guys. That's your streamer, ah. Guys, like and subscribe for online being.
Sure, ba?
Share screen ka ba?
Oh, I forgot to share screen to you because you have Gagi mo mga hindi ko maayos yung camera mo, mo.
Bakit?
Ano, lang. Sorry. It's just funny. Hell. Apparently, it's not working. Ano pa panoodin natin? Streamer Streamer niyo yan Isa sa mga streamer niyo
That's your streamer. That's your streamer, guys.
We're gonna watch.
Dito pala yung picture ng Pokemon. Dito pala yun. Click mo.
Dude.
Welcome back sa Free Thinking Pinoy Channel. Sa videong ito, mapapanood nyo ang part 3 ng 10 Pokemon na ginaya pala sa totoong hayop.
There's part 1 and 2.
Kaya mo bang hulaan kung sino ito? Heracross!
Oh?
Si Heracross ang isa sa
Di mo yan si Heracross?
sa pahikipaglaban.
Heracross.
Meron itong sungay na ginagamit niya para umatake. Kaya kasi nitong magbuhat ng isang beses ng sarili niyang bigat para itulak ang kalaban.
Yung isang streamer, guys. Yung isang streamer, guys.
Wala akong ginagawa! What the
Kanan nito
You're
ang
crazy, man.
Beetle.
Who's that Pokemon?
Kabuto.
Ang lang sa'yo ko na!
Pinakamatandang lahi.
Bakit?
Ang
Uy!
ka!
What the fuck?
Tawa
What
ka
the
na, bro!
video,
Tawa ka
man?
na! Tawa ka na tawa every second, man!
What the fuck video?
Na pwede mong buhay istorya ng Pokemon.
Can we watch something else, boy?
Pagkalipas ng 3
Why?
taon.
Pokemon.
Kung akala mo na mukhang kamukha din ng Kabuto ang mga giant isopod.
Tawa na tawa!
Na matatagpuan sa
Bro, why you keep laughing, man?
malalim na dagat.
Wala. It's funny.
Menos mo lang.
Who's that Pokemon?
Oh my gosh, ano to?
Love this. Ang mga love disc ay isang water type
Love
Pokemon
this.
na hugis isda at puting puso.
The
Kahit mukha itong mahinang Pokemon,
Daing yan, tignan mo.
water type para
Loto.
lumaban. Kaya sa hugis nito na parang isda, sa tingin ko,
Ah,
kaya ito
okay.
sa Kissing Gurami. Sa istorya ng Pokemon, makakahanap ng
Pangalan
pag-ibig ang mga tao na mga
Stop laughing, bro!
Ano pangalan?
Stop laughing!
ay kabaliktaran. Kung ang mga love disc
May gas
ay
leak, sorry, may
nag-iis
gas
ng
leak.
pagmamahal, ang mga kissing gurami naman ay
May gas
naghahalikan
leak.
para makipag-away. Akala ko ba, naglalambingan lang ito. Pero
Ako rin gusto ko rin makapag-away, bro.
ang kanila kasing nguso ay may matutulis na ngipin. Kapag
Where can I buy the
nagkakaroon,
fish?
tinutusok niya ang ibang
What?
isda para masugatan.
We're gonna buy the fish.
Hanggang sa mamatay ito sa impeksyon ng sugat.
Mimicry.
Who's that Pokemon?
Ursaring. At balahibo nito at sobrang
Ano kayang
laki kung
animal
sa
yan? Ang hirap.
Kaya halata naman na si Ursaring ay
Ewan ko.
ginaya sa mga
Snake.
oso. Atake gamit ang lupa.
Why the fuck are we watching
Mukha man
this?
silang cartoons, ginaya pa rin ito sa tunay na
Ganda nga
buhay na isda.
Hanapin mo yung similar video. Ay, babae. Yan.
Obesity
Tama.
is on the rise, but apparently not just for humans. Here
Okay.
are the top 10 fattest wild animals ever seen. Number 10.
Okay.
The fattest squirrel. The fattest squirrel in the opening image.
Oh my gosh.
Marina van der Linden captured this gigantic squirrel at the nearby Morrill Rock State Preserve in California. The fattest raccoon. Most obese raccoon, the Guinness World Book of
damn.
Records. has dubbed Bandit the world's fattest raccoon and given him the
That's so
title of that
fat.
animal. Number 8. The fattest penguins. Researchers are trying to figure out what is behind the epidemic of chubby penguins that have
Oh.
recently surfaced on social media.
What
And the
the
enormous,
fuck?
What?
morbidly
What are you
obese
trying to say,
penguins
huh?
are some of the most
How are they
well-known
fat, though?
photographs. Number 7. Fattest cat. Most obese cat liger in addition to being obese.
Yes.
Hercules is also well known.
I've seen fat cats.
Hercules is a liger, a hybrid
You
between
haven't
a
seen
lion and a
fat
tiger.
cat, literal.
And he resides at the
No,
South
I seen
Carolina
fat
Wildlife
cat.
Preserve Myrtle Beach Safari.
It's like
The
sobrang
enormous
different
fat
yung sa
cat
pregnant
is
cat.
922
Like
pounds in weight.
actual fat.
Nakita ko na
Although
yung
loggers
biso
tend to be
tabakan
larger
dito
than both their
sa end of the freaking
contemporaries,
race.
lions and tigers.
No,
Hercules
hindi yung
maintains
ganun kataba,
his
pero
weight
yung-
by
No, meron,
consuming
meron,
7 pounds of
meron
meat
talaga
each day
ganun kataba.
and
Sabi ko,
drinking several liters
Damn.
of
Ay,
water.
ganyan, no?
Hercules is very large-furred. In 2014,
Damn.
after being dubbed the largest living cat
Can he
in the
jump?
world. Number 4. Fat orangutan. A large orangutan she, Zabornian orangutan, and was transferred to the Monkey World Ape Rescue Center in the UK, where she was
Stop
immediately put on a
laughing!
proper
The
diet
wrong
of
with
fruit
you?
and
What the
vegetables, because she was eating what she was.
what the wrong with you, man?
Yo.
Designed to
Play!
Her weight loss was fairly quick, and at one point, O'Shea was the
Holy
world's
shit.
fattest orangutan. She once weighed close to 165 pounds, but she has since lost
Monkey.
55 pounds thanks to a strict diet.
What
She has
the
adapted well to her new home, but rescue center
What the
staff would still
fuck?
like to see her drop some more weight, as obesity may lead to
Still
high
lakad
blood
niya.
pressure. Number 1. Uncle Fatty the monkey. Uncle Fatty was a massively obese monkey who lived in the streets of Bangkok's coastal Bunkin Chien district before being captured and sent to a fat farm to lose weight.
You put your camera down, boy. You put your camera down. Now
Ay, ano lang.
you're laughing way too hard. Now I'm going to repeat the
Hindi,
video.
umano yung camera.
Sure, buddy, sure.
Tumaas yung camera, tumaas.
Kitang-kita sa sa record eh.
Tumaas yung camera. Ano ka ba?
Okay.
Don't laugh at fat animals.
Ikaw na natatawa sa atin. What the fuck you make?
I'm not laughing.
Okay.
Number 1. Uncle Fatty the monkey. Uncle Fatty was a massively obese monkey. Farm to lose weight. He was caught weighing an incredible
Yo,
59
taas ang ulo mo,
pounds.
taas ang ulo mo,
A
taas ang
macaque
ulo mo.
typically weighs
Taas ang
between
ulo mo.
17
Nahulog yung phone ko,
and
nahulog yung
22
phone.
pounds. So he was literally 3 times as heavy as he should have been. Uncle Fatty scrounged for food in the neighborhood food markets for the most of his days, and he put on so much weight that his belly practically dragged on the ground. His weight loss program was successful, and the obese monkey was able to lose 4.5 pounds. Uncle Fatty has earned the top spot on our list of the 10 fats due to his colossus weight. Check out our previous videos.
Bakit ka bog na bog? What the f*** wrong with you?
Narapan ng huminga.
Okay. Whew, I like this room. Okay, let's end it. Let's end it, bro.